Hey guys, this is Nandan from Beta Console. Today in this video, we'll learn how to swap two numbers without using third variable. Before writing any program, first we should know the logic of that program. So I have taken two integers here, a and b. So I have set value of a as 20 and value of b is 30. So in this program, we are swapping these two numbers without using third variable. So the first step is we have to add a and b and we have to store the result in a. So let's add. So value of a is 20 and value of b is 20. 20 plus 30 is 50. So our value of a is, new value of a is 50. So we got the new value for a, that is 50, and b remains as 30. The next step is we have to subtract a and b and we have to store the result in b. So let's subtract. Value of a is 50, value of b is 30. When you subtract, we'll get the result as 20 and we have to store it in b. So new value of b is 20. Now we got new value for a and b. A is 50 and b is 20. Again we have to subtract a and b, but this time we have to store the result in a. When we subtract 50 and 20, we'll get result as 20. So we'll get new value for a, that is 30. This was our before swapping wala result, that is a is equals to 20 and b is 30. After swapping, we got the result as a is 30 and b is 20. So here we got 30, and in the second step we got value for b. Now we have clear idea about the logic. Now let's write a program for that. First we have to include header files. For that we'll write #include stdio.h. Now our second line will be our main function. Okay. Then we'll declare two variables as we discussed in the logic. A is equals to 20, comma b is equals to 30. We'll write clr function, that is to clear the screen. Now we'll write the logic. The first step was we'll add a and b and that we have to store it in a. So a is equals to a plus b. And our second step was subtracting a, b and storing it in b. So a is equals to a minus b. And the third and the last step is subtracting a from b and storing it in a. Now we'll write one printf statement. Slash for new line. After swapping, a is equals to %d because we have used integer values, and b is equals to %d, comma a, comma b, and with a semicolon. Let's write getCS function and return 0 because I am not returning anything, so I have given 0. Actually we can write one more printf statement here. Printf / values before swapping. A is equals to %d and b is equals to %d a, comma b. Let's save this. Alt F9 for compilation, so we don't have any errors and warning. Let's run this. Control F9. Yeah. So the values before swapping were a is equals to 20 and b is equals to 30. After swapping, it will get swapped to a is 30 and b is equals to 20. That's it for today. Make sure you subscribe our channel.